Hey everyone, I wanted to show you how to make a poster today using Microsoft Publisher. This comes with Office, and that means like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. If you have the certain package that comes with more programs, you'll get Publisher with it. So at our school, we like to print posters to make anchor charts and incentives and fun welcome posters using Publisher. I'm going to show you how to do that from scratch. So you can choose one of these blank options. I'm going to choose the portrait. It does not matter that it's 8.5 by 11 because I have to go over here to page design and size, and I have to change that. Now, it's saved right here for me as a custom size because I've done this before. If you have not, you're going to need to make your page 24 inches by 30 inches. So it will print to the correct scale as a poster. So you're going to go down here to create new page size, and then you're going to type in 24 by 30 for those page dimensions, the width and the height. Now I could just flip-flop those and make the height the height 24 and the width 30 if I wanted this to be a landscape size. So now that I've got my poster sized properly, it'll print at the correct dimensions. I can add things that I want, such as a text box. I'm going to need to make this much bigger, about 150 size, because the text is the same size as if I were putting this on a worksheet or typing a letter. So I'm going to type "Welcome to my class," and I can change my fonts. I'm going to center that and make it just how I want it before I save that to be printed. Now, also something I like to include is a picture. So I'm going to add one of my Bitmojis. These are just really fun to personalize my classroom. I've saved my Bitmoji as an image to my computer. That's how I'm easily able to insert it to my poster here. Now, once I have that poster how I want it, notice that I stayed within those bluish lines on the outside. Those are my margins that I don't obviously want to cross so that things don't get cut off. I can save my poster, and I want to save it to my computer, my documents, and now I can save it as Bitmoji poster to print, and now I can email this or send it to the printer or whatever I need to do with this file.